Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect and integrate your WooCommerce store with Instagram shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our official WooCommerce platform that you're using. In my case, I'm using it on WordPress. So you're going to go to wordpress.com, the official website, and open it up. This is going to greet us with this home page. If you have not already set up your store, you can just go into the plugin section right here at the left side of the screen and search for WooCommerce. Find all of the extensions and plugins you can use for setting up your store and do that. Once you've set up your store, now we can get started with integrating with Instagram. So basically guys, you do not have a direct way to integrate with Instagram. As you can see on this Reddit thread, somebody asked the same question, and the easiest way as somebody answered is to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store to the Facebook Commerce Manager, which also powers Instagram shop. So you're going to go to woocommerce.com right here to the official website and go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace. In this marketplace, that's going to look like this. You're going to see all the extensions. As you can see, one of the first ones you can find is called Facebook. This is what you want to open up. This is going to enable you to reach your customers across Facebook and Instagram using this official extension. So all you have to do is just click add to store, and by clicking add to store, this is going to enable you to follow the steps to integrate this directly with your WooCommerce store that you have set up. From there you can get started connecting those two stores, that they can share the same products and so on, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.